In this video, I'm going to show you how to download audio from Instagram Reels. At first, please, if you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and let's get started into this tutorial. Go into Instagram, then choose the reel that you want to download. I'm going to choose this one as example. Then click at this icon right here. What you need to do is basically copy the reel link, click at here, then go to Chrome or Safari or anything you use, just search for download Instagram Reels audio. Like this, choose the first website, paste your Instagram link here or the reel link, then search, wait a little bit, and here, yeah, the same reel, go to download audio, and like this you just download the reel audio in 1 minute. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel, leave a nice comment, and see you soon.